Yeah. Forgiveness flows from the rivers of your grace. Your mercy draws me to my knees to pray. I'm broken, but you wash my sins away. And inside I can hear the Spirit say that I should call on the name of the Lord. That I should call on the name of the Lord. Something inside me is saying, call on the name of the Lord, and He will hear you. And He will hear you. You see, my best friend Alex invited me to go to church. And I had this summer job back then, but I ain't have to work. So I'm standing in the pews with this hymnal in my hand, singing the old rugged cross and on a solid rock I stand. I ain't been to church in a while, maybe since last Christmas, or maybe last Easter. It's like some family tradition, but I never heard your voice before. My mom and dad, they went to war, ended up in a divorce, and I don't know if I can trust no more. Pastor reads the Bible after some songs and starts praying, but I'm catching on to every single word that he's saying. I'm barely in my teens and I'm a basket case of stress. Peer pressure, sex and drug, I swear it's like some mess. Hit me. In this lost and your grace. Mercy draws me to my knees to pray. I'm broken, but you wash my sins away. And inside I can hear your Spirit say that I should call on the name of the Lord. That I should call on the name of the Lord. Call on the name of the Lord, and He will hear you. And He will hear you. See, most of the Christians that I met, they got their nose in the air. Nobody cares what you know until they know that you care. They spend a lot of their time talking about this hell place, but Alex talks about Jesus with a smile on her face. She knows about my dad leaving and about my mom drinking, my little brother's autism and how my grades have been slipping. As the sermon comes to an end, I sit back and I think about all the things that I've been through and how Jesus died for me. This is a moment right now to take a stand. As the pastor says to close your eyes and please bow your head. He said raise up your hand if the Lord you want to receive. And with tears in my eyes, I raise up my right sleeve and I walk towards the altar. Pastor meets me halfway. He wraps me up in his arms and says, son, you'll be okay. And I accept and I believe and I confess Jesus' love. And I know I felt the smile shine down from above. So I stand here changed, and I'm changed here by you. And I'm handing you my life, and you can do whatever you want to do. Life will never be perfect, but God will never hurt me. I pray the sinner's prayer, and I swear the Lord you heard me. Give this love to me. I pray the sinner's prayer, and I swear the Lord he heard me. Mercy draws me to my knees to pray. I swear the Lord he heard me. I'm broken, but you wash my sins away. Inside I can hear the Spirit say that I should call on the name of the Lord. Oh, I just gotta call on the name of Jesus. The name of the Lord. I've been changed ever since. The name of the Lord. And He will hear you.